Hello guys, welcome to How It Works. Today we are going to discuss about how to add fonts into MacBook. So we'll dive into the video and see how we do that. I'll use a free website and I'll download the font and I'll show you where to add the font so that you can use that font across the entire Mac. So here I'm going into Microsoft Edge. I'll just type in free fonts download. Let's go into 1001 free fonts. I use that often. So once we go in there, let's select Before the Rain. So I'm going to hit download. It's a free for personal use, so I can download it. I'm not going to use it on any of my products. So once I download it, I click open. It opens up, it unzips the file basically. I go into Before the Rain, and there you see the TTF files. Those two are those two files that I need. So once you get those files, I'll minimize the window, and now I'll go to the Go option on top. You don't see a library option there, but now I hold the option command and then you can see the library. You can see I just hold the option command and click on Go. You will see the library option. By holding the option command, you just need to click on the library. It will open the library option, and once you go into that folder, you'll see fonts there. Just double click on that. Now I'll go back where I downloaded the Before the Rain fonts. I'll copy both the TTF files that I need. There can be multiple TTF files for each font, so I'll just use Command V and paste it here. So if you scroll all the way up near the B, let me search it, and there you go. Yeah, Before the Rain. So now you added those two fonts. You can add multiple fonts. You just need those TTF files or OTF files. You can use this font in any other applications. So for example, Photoshop or any other applications that you use to type. It will be available across your MacBook now. So that's how you add fonts into Mac. For more videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll be updating more videos frequently, so keep an eye. Thank you. Bye-bye.